In this video, I'll show you how you could save up to $265 per month on Sharesies. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Kiwi Investments. Let's stop ignoring Sharesies monthly plans and figure out ways to make the most of it, and also when exactly you shouldn't use them. I'll get into the full calculation at the end of the video, but first, as usual on my channel, I don't just talk about things, I show you with my own money what it looks like, how it works, and the pros and cons of it. So let's first go purchase the monthly plan. To do that, click on Accounts and go to Monthly Plans. I'll purchase the $7 plan, which covers up to $1,000 worth of transactions. So just hit select and it will deduct $7 from your wallet. And the plan will renew on the 21st of May. Today is the 21st of April. Click confirm. And that's that. Now if we come back to our portfolio, go all the way down to the investment that we want to sell, which is pesos. I will be mostly selling stocks in this video, but you can follow the same technique for buying stocks. Sell all of it. And now we got this extra thing here which says all or some of this transaction fee may be covered by your $7 monthly plan. So I'm just gonna click on sell, and while that's selling, I'll sell the other one. We should also be covered in my $7 monthly plan. So click on sell. So that's selling as well. If we go to account again, we see that our monthly plan is still on, and if we click on it, we see how much of the $1,000 we have used up so far. So you can keep a track that way. But I don't want to keep paying $7 every single month because I'm not that active. So we just come down here and click on cancel plan. And it says my $7 monthly plan will remain active until the 21st of May 2023. And after that, the normal fees will apply. There we go, it's cancelled and won't charge me $7 again. But we can still keep selling or buying with the plan. So if we come back and sell another one, I'm going to sell Bliss Technology because it hasn't been a good investment for me. So I'm gonna go sell all my shares, and as you can see, even though we cancel our plan, our transaction fee is still covered. So I'm gonna hit sell. And if we come back to our wallet and come down and have a look at Bliss Technology, you will see that we got charged $0. And if you look at pesos, it's the same thing, $0. Now what if the shares you want to buy is not New Zealand shares? Well, the monthly plan covers US and Aussie shares too, but the transaction limit is a New Zealand dollar amount. So to show you what that looks like, right now we have $201 left on our $1,000 limit. If we come back to my portfolio, we have one US company in my portfolio which is in US dollar amount. Right now it's worth about $148 US, and if we convert it to New Zealand dollars, we get about 235 New Zealand dollars. So it would go over our limit and the plan would only cover some of the fee. Sell order is placed, and if you look at it, transaction fees were partially covered by my $7 monthly plan. So I ended up paying 41 cents instead of $2.77 for this transaction. Now if we were to go to accounts and go to monthly plans again, you see that we have reached our $1,000 limit on our $7 plan. Now $1,000 worth of transactions or transaction would cost us $18.65 on Sharesies, but we only spent $7. So if we get our calculator out and type in what we would have paid minus what we actually paid, we see that we have saved a good $11.65 just from using the simple method I have shown you. But wait, that's not all. When you buy a plan, buy and sell orders aren't the only thing that's covered. Now we can use auto invest orders to make a one-off transaction and save even more money, and I'll show you how. Come down to where it says auto invest orders, and I'm gonna create my own. And I'm gonna type in TNZ, that's the ETF for the top 10 New Zealand companies, and I'm gonna add that. You can add other companies as well if you want to, but I'm just gonna go with one, and I'm gonna go select. And choose how much percentage you want. I'm gonna go 100, but if you have other investments, then you can divvy them up as well. And then next you have to decide how much you want to invest and how often. I'm gonna invest $100 weekly, starting from Monday next week. Give it a name. You can upload an image if you want to, and then go next. And there we go, it gives you a summary. It shows the transaction fee of what you would have paid, but because we're still on the monthly plan, it's gonna be covered from our plan. I'm gonna hit confirm. I will sign back in once the auto payment has gone through. Alright, as you can see, today is Monday and the auto investment has gone through while I was at work, so that was handy. And as you can see, because of the plan, it cost me $0 to invest $100. If we go to accounts and go to monthly plans, we can see it's been added onto the amount our plan has covered. Before we move any further, my auto investment is still active. I don't want to auto invest. I only did that to save on the transaction fee. So to cancel it, go to your profile, click on the activity tab, and you'll see your auto investment here. Then you go to manage and you can either pause, edit, switch order, or delete. I want to delete. It'll ask you a question, hit delete. And that's it. Alright, let's now move on to the calculation bit to figure out what monthly plan you should buy to maximize your savings. And luckily for you, I have created this web page for you. The link will be in the description. This web page gets straight into it. It shows what each of the plan covers. For example, if you buy the $3 plan, it covers $500 worth of buy and sell orders. Without the plan, it would cost you $9.33. So if you spend $3 on this plan, then that means you saved yourself $6.32. Now remember, this plan also covers up to $1,000 worth of auto invest orders as well. Now if you combine the two like how I showed you in the first half of this video, then this plan would cover up to $1,500 worth of transactions, saving you $24.97. Now if you go down and have a look at the $15 monthly plan, if we maximize that, then we could save $265 worth of fees. That's a lot saved on fees. Now I also have this break-even amounts to show you not to buy these plans if your transactions are less than these figures right here. For example, let's say you're only investing $100. The normal fee for that would be $1.86, far less cheaper than $3. But if you're investing more than $161 per month or for that 1 month, then yes, buying this plan would be cheaper for you. Same with the $7 plan and the $15 plan. Don't buy them if your transactions are less than the amounts right here. Now I have gone a step further and added this interactive table down here. If you don't see it when you visit this page, you would need to refresh this page a few times until you do. This is a very easy way to find out how much you would save with the monthly plans, and also which monthly plan you should buy for the amount that you're investing. So let's say you have $2,000 to invest. So you double click here and type in 2,000. So without a plan, you can see that you would have paid $37.29 towards fees. But if you pick a plan using this drop down menu, let's go for the $3 plan, you would see that we then paid $31.50 towards the fees, saving you $5.79. If we pick the $7 plan, then for our $2,000 investment, we would have saved more, $11.29. To see if we could do better, let's select the $15 plan. Then you see that our cost with this plan is only $15 and we would save $22.29, which is huge. So my recommendation is before you go and buy or sell investments, come to this website and check if you could cut down on your fees. You can type in whatever the amount here and play around with the monthly plans here. This is a free website and there shouldn't be any ads on it. If you like seeing this type of content, please do like and share this video for support. Ka kite and see you in the next video.